What do you think of about us descending from the apes?
Could you come closer to the microphone, please?
What do you think about us descending from the apes?
I can follow.
What do you think of us descending from the apes?
Oh, yes, I know that. You know, the word descending is wrong. If you say, what do you think of us ascending from the apes, then perhaps I would agree. Because if you had descended from the apes, you should have been like apes. If you had ascended, that means you left the apes below and you had risen to a higher level. The Holy Quran tells us this, that the man has risen to the highest level, although he started his journey from the lowest level. Bada khalqal insani min teen. It doesn't mean that directly man was made from earth, from soil. It says Bada khalqal insani min teen. God started the creation of man, initiated the creation of man from dust, or teen from clay, let's say. So how long it took him to reach to the level of man, it's a huge journey, absolutely immeasurable in our intellectual terms. It must have taken hundreds. So on that stage of ascendance, we went through the stage of ape as well and left the ape behind, much below us. What is the harm? So whenever you say we are descendant of apes, I don't like it. If you say we have ascended to a much higher level from the level of apes, then this is according to the teachings of the Holy Quran. This is why when the Holy Quran is angry, that is to say Allah is angry with certain people who misbehave and don't behave like human beings, then the Holy Quran, Allah tells them, Kunu qiradatan khasiin. All right, if you want to revert to the earlier stages, be a rejected ape. There must be some reason why the Holy Quran chose this ape to be the punishment of man who does not behave like human beings. It must be a lower order. Okay?
Yes.
Now I hope you don't have objection. कोई और सवाल? I'm sorry, मैं उर्दू में बात करनी थी, भूल गया, मैं गलती हो गई। जी? नहीं, हमने यही तरीका रखा हुआ है कि यहाँ क्योंकि बाद उर्दू दान ऐसे भी आते हैं जिनको अंग्रेज़ी नहीं आती, तो इसलिए मजबूरन हमने ये फैसला किया हुआ है कि अंग्रेज़ी का जवाब इस मजलिस में, बाकी तो अंग्रेज़ी जो मजलिसें भी चलती हैं उर्दू में ही देंगे, उनको जवाब अंग्रेज़ी ट्रांसलेशन से मिल जाता है, इसलिए वो महरूम नहीं रहते। देखिए ना, हो रही है ट्रांसलेशन। अच्छा खैर, अब आगे चलते हैं, वक्त तो थोड़ा रह जाएगा वरना। इससे डॉक्टर साहब तशरीफ ला रहे थे। अब इसके बाद मेरा ख्याल है इसको हम आखिरी सवाल समझते हैं क्योंकि नमाज का वक्त हो गया। आपने शुरू करना है? अच्छा, आपने उस तरह किया है जिस तरह बाज़ लोग कहते हैं जी सवाल आया है, ऐसा नहीं, करके छड़ना है। हमें सवाल इतनी जोर से आया हुआ है कि बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा है।